What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe. Welcome to some TO. Today we're going to talk about saving some money at the grocery store. I got 5 tips for you, and we're going to talk about those while I do some grocery shopping. So let's get inside and let's get started. So one of the things that is important when grocery shopping is, one, picking your grocery store. There's, if it's close to you, go for it. There's 3 big ones. There's Sam's Club, there's Costco, and there's Kroger, which is where I'm at right now. It's always been the one that I go to, and there's a reason for that, which is number 2. So the second thing is, find a grocery store that has like a gas station connected to it. That's always a nice touch, because you get bonus, you save points on fuel, which is also a very big thing right now, and you get to spend money on food while saving money on food as well. So the third thing is, use any apps or any coupons, any ways that you can add coupons to your savings. Always the way to go. Every now and then you get like reach coupons for your grocery stores. Normally they're for fast food, but every now and then you do. If you have them, use them. Always use them. So number 4 is look at the tags. And when I say look at the tags, I mean like the price tags, whether or not it's on sale, whether it's marked down, or whether it's on sale for like, 2 for $6 or 3 for $6 or 3 for $5 or 10 for $10 kind of thing. Every now and then they might even have like a digital deal on it. And so, always pick and choose your battles, what you're willing to spend, what you're not willing to spend. Every now and then they have like different color tags to show what's on sale and what's not on sale. So always look into that. And then as for number 5, always pick and choose when you go. Yes, that's important, because when school starts and you try and go a couple days before, you're not getting your granola bars. Same with like holidays and whatnot. You're out of luck trying to get ham if you're going 2 days before Christmas. But there you go. 5 tips, tricks, ways, all the above to go grocery shopping. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it, comment down below, tell me how I did, tell me what else I need to do. And on that note, guys, peace out.